So if you're a makeup lover and you are looking for an all makeup subscription box, this box today that I'm going to share with you might be one you want to look into. So today we're going to look at the latest box from Chic Beauty, and it is filled with 5 makeup items inside. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel as always. Like I said, we are taking a look at the Chic Beauty box. Now this subscription features 5 makeup items inside of it, and these makeup items are all going to be known brands. Now they could be luxury brands, they could also be drugstore brands, but what I mean by known is that they're not going to be indie brands. So that's the real difference between this box and some of the other makeup boxes out there. So it's kind of nice because you could pair this with other makeup subscription boxes that are on the market, and that way you would have this option where you're getting those luxury or drugstore items, but then you could also go with an all indie makeup box as well. So just an idea. But if you guys are interested in this subscription, I have a link listed down below for you, and that way you can go online and check it all out. Now this box, it is always small, but it is mighty. So they do manage to fit 5 full-size products inside of this. So I don't have a card this time. So usually I have a card in here that will tell me the month this box is for, which I think this is February's box, but then it will also tell me the prices on each of the items. So since I don't have that today, I'm not gonna be able to tell you that part of it, but I can confirm there are 5 full-size products in here. Now, if you decide to sign up for this subscription, they do allow you to customize your box, and that window will open up. It's open for a while too. It's not like a 24-hour period, but they will send you an email and let you know when it's time to customize your box. And then you'll be able to choose between this or that. So they'll have like 2 or 3 different options, and you can pick between the 2 of them. I do like that because it does mean that everybody's boxes could be slightly different. So if you sign up for this box, you may get some of the same items that I have here today, but then again, you may choose completely different items. So the first item that I have in here is from Wander Beauty. This is the On The Glow Blush and Illuminator. So essentially a highlighter will be with this. Now, I don't know if that means they're 2 separate products, or will it be like a blush light where it's all in one and it's just like a shimmery blush? I don't know, so many questions. I feel like that's when the soap operas turn and they're like, I don't know, what could it be? At least in my head, that's how that played out. So the shade is called Strawberry Fields. Wait, I just answered my own question because the other shade is called Nude Glow. So there are 2 different items in here. They're not mixed together. So our blush will be Strawberry Fields, and then even though you can't see it, it does say Nude Glow on the highlighter portion. So this will be a cream stick, and you will be able to pull the caps off of both ends, and then you'll have your blush on one, highlighter on the other. So this one, this is the highlighter here. It's weird how it has those lines. It looks like a tree. Is it supposed to look like that? It's not stamped. Maybe it is. It really does look like a tree. I don't think it's a bad thing because you're going to just rub it on anyways, which that's what I'm going to do right now just to take a look at this. But I do think it's a really pretty highlighter. So I'll do a quick swatch with this one just to see what it looks like. But, oh yeah, it's so creamy. So it goes down really smooth. And it does have that shimmer to it that you want with a highlighter. Like how soft and creamy that was, you guys. That was a really nice application. Like, that felt great. Now, what's kind of nice is this highlighter is not too intense. You're still gonna see it, it's still gonna catch the light, but it's definitely not like a blinding highlight by any means. It's really pretty though, I do like it. Now on the other end, we have our blush stick here. So this one is that Strawberry Fields. Do you see strawberry? Right? Like that color is exactly like a strawberry. And I do feel like you could build that pigment up. Man, I didn't really do enough pressure there, did I? So this is what it will look like. It's definitely a cream formula, so it's got a little bit of a shine to it as well. Obviously for a blush, you are not gonna just draw on a streak like this. I mean, you could, but I don't think it's gonna look good. But the idea is you would just do a little bit and then you'd kind of blend it out. So typically what you do is go in, kind of buff that and make it a little bit softer. Oh yeah, that's pretty. So even though you're seeing the pigment here intense, I want you to be able to tell that it can go down as like your traditional blush and that it will blend out really well. It's definitely soft, it's definitely subtle, but it's very wearable. The next item that we have in here is also from Wander Beauty. This is their Wandering Eyes eyeshadow stick. So the shade is called Starry Eyed. So this is what it will look like for the packaging. And then inside, this is what the packaging looks like on your item. It's actually a lot shorter than what I thought because the box was so tall. So it's not as big as what I was thinking. And then, oh, it got a little smushed. Looks like it was turned up too far inside of my cap. So the top just got squished a bit. Honestly, it doesn't bother me. It happens. I can totally see it in there. And it's so easy to twist the bottom part that it could have even happened, you know, in shipping or anything. So not really a problem. But this one will be a cream formula. Oh, it's cute. Look at that. So it is an eyeshadow, so it's not too bold, but it definitely has kind of like that bronze shimmer to it. It's really pretty. Again, I do feel like it's very neutral, like very soft. They're not drastic pigments or anything like that at all, but I kind of prefer that because you're not able to customize those shades in this box. And sometimes we've had like purple lipsticks in the past and I'm like, wow, that's super scary, right? So I do like that these are very wearable. The next item that we have in here is from Too Faced. This is their Lip Injection Extreme. So this is a full-size product and it's called Pink Punch. So this one will be a lip plumper, so it is going to tingle a little bit, and then it will make your lips a little bit more plump, a little bit brighter as well. It does work. I have used this product. They have lots of different scents on them, but it does absolutely work. And the tingling does go away after a little while, but it's very effective. So this one, it says it's an instant and long-term plumper. And then, like I said, it is going to tingle, so I'm not going to do a swatch because I don't want it to do anything on my hand. But it's not going to go down this bright. It's going to be a very soft pink. So like I mentioned, you might also see drugstore brands in this box, which I think is still great. This product is coming from Revlon, and it is their Color Stay Endless Glow product. So it is a liquid highlighter. So this is what your highlighter will look like. Really pretty, beautiful copper shade. Love that. The shade is called Rose Quartz, which I can definitely see. It's shade number 2. And since this is a liquid one, there is plenty to work with. It is gonna last a really long time. Huge applicator too. Oh my gosh. So see, now that is blinding. Compared to the Wanderer highlighter stick that we saw earlier, this one, there is no hiding that. Like, it will definitely catch the light. This is really pretty though. I kind of like the liquid formulas a little bit better because it goes down thicker. So you really get a great coat. Last item inside of our box, and today our 5th full-size product is from Ofra Cosmetics. This one is their best lashes yet. It's their volumizing mascara, and we have it in the shade Black. So this is what the packaging looks like. It is a square tube. Usually, you know how mascara tubes are, they're typically round, and this one is completely square. It's easy to grip onto, which is one advantage, I think, over the round ones. But then inside, you're gonna have your wand. It does have a slight curve to it, but it's not too crazy. Now it looks like, do you notice how those bristles are shorter there on the left side? And then as I twist it, you can tell they get a little bit bigger. That should indicate it's going to coat all of your lashes no matter what length they are. But additionally, it does have a slight spiral design around the wand. So again, it should give it a great lift and really coat everything as you're using this product. So that is everything from Chic Beauty. Comment down below, you guys, let me know, what did you think of this box? I gotta say, this entire box is very wearable. So I'm really excited that they're all shades that I can use and use on a regular basis as well. I also like, obviously, that it is full-size products. All of them worked really well, and they're very cute together. Like, I was thinking about it, we've got the highlighter, the blush, we got the lip plumper as well, the mascara. Like, it creates this very soft soft look, but it's still girly with the pinks and the colors. So I don't know. I feel like the curation was really well done with this one. Even though it doesn't look like much at first glance, it's like, oh, 5 stick products. I feel like they work really well together and they look really good too. Honestly, the only thing this box needs is an eyeshadow palette, but I know that would technically be 6 products, but that's really all it needs. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what did you think of Chic this time around? I loved it. I thought it was great. But if you guys are interested in this subscription, I have that link listed down below as well. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great day, and I will see you guys all in my next unboxing video. Bye!